In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add on-balance volume indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. On-balance volume, or OBV, is a popular tool that helps you see how trading volume is flowing in or out of a market. It can be really helpful when you want to confirm trends or spot potential reversals. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add it to your TradingView Pro chart so it's ready to use every time you analyze a market. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any symbol or market you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found near the toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and studies are stored. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see different categories and options. To keep things simple, move over to the section labeled Technicals. Clicking on Technicals filters the list, so you can quickly find standard technical indicators without having to scroll through everything. Now, with the Technicals section open, use the search bar at the top of that window. Click into the search field and type On-Balance Volume. As you type, TradingView will narrow down the list and you should see On-Balance Volume appear as one of the results. Make sure you select the standard on-balance volume indicator, not a custom script or a community version, especially if you're just getting started. Once you see on-balance volume in the list, click on it one time. The moment you do that, TradingView will automatically add OBV to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually right below your price chart, showing a line that moves up and down with changes in volume and price direction. From here, you can customize it if you want. For example, you can hover over the OBV label in the indicator panel, open the settings, and adjust things like the line color, thickness, or style so it's easier to see against your chart background. You can also save this setup as part of a chart layout, so OBV loads automatically every time you use that layout. And finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features and indicators on multiple charts, feel free to use the link in my description to sign up. Once you're set up, follow these exact steps and you'll have the on-balance volume indicator added and ready to use in just a few clicks.